3, 2, 1.
Okay, we're losing that immediately. We lost that. Is it still going? What?
Still going. Yeah. Going up. Yeah.
Huh.
No, it's gonna go over. Fell.
Ah. Ah!
Yeah, levitate, bro. Levitate my skivvy.
Italian rain rot?
Bro. It's just the new type of rain rot.
Power my hand.
No!
I like that shoe. I don't actually.
Oh! Let's go! Yes! Bruh!
It's not a frisbee.
Yeah, it is.
What? Bro! We're not getting that.
No, we are.
I mean, we are getting it, but like... Bro, Aegis doesn't quit. It's in the grass. What in the world?
Ah!
Oh, bro! Where is it? But it's so reckless flying, it's gonna go into the towers like... This was like in the package for 2 years and finally opened. Honestly, I think it's worth the price. If you see one of these, you should buy... Oh! What in the... Oh! Try to trim your beard. Imagine if there was like no casing around it, it was just the blades. Alright, I finally got enough storage.
I am a guest. Helicopter.
Ah! Ah!
More helicopter.
No.
No! It could be because it's running low on battery here. Oh gosh.
It's dead. You gotta go charge it again. How long did you charge that for? Like 30 minutes?
That was, yeah, probably like 30 minutes. And that wasn't full charge.
Then what's full charge? Like 30 minutes extra?
I don't know. Alright, unless one uses a football, I don't think we should, but that's the end of its life. It lived a long life. It hit trash cans and ceilings and people, and then it died.
First you gotta put some firewood, put some tallow, you gotta hit it with face, and put some like and put this guy's face like in like the thing like 5,000 times, and also play like a